Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This boat just arrived. We just unwrapped it. As you can see, it comes with a galvanized trailer. This boat is equipped with the glacier green hull sides. You've got the white rub rail with stainless steel insert, chrome graphics, the optional synthetic teak on the swim platform. It's going to be equipped with the 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. Got a bench seat across with stainless steel cup holders. This boat does have the black bimini top. You have a stainless steel wheel at the helm. This boat has the optional dash applique. Optional windshield. You have lockable storage underneath that windshield. Designated anchor locker up in the bow of the boat. Yeah, let's give you a quick view there. If you'd like any more information about this boat, give us a call here at MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach, 910-256-8100.